Today we're going to bring a Hamilton Beach can opener, and this is great. It doesn't puncture the actual can. It opens up the can so you can use it back to cover it up. So make sure you remove the label, all right, prior to starting. And we used to have one, but it just broke down after maybe 5-6 years. These last pretty much a long time. So I like the last one. It has a magnetic, the same thing like the other one. So we end up buying similar one. So let's go ahead and put it to a test and see how well it works. For any can, I always wash it, clean it just a little bit, and then run it. So this is the first time we're going to use it. And if you guys know it doesn't hang. You got to push it down. Once you let it go, you're going to hear a click when it's done. There it is. So it's done. Lift it up. Now the can, if you guys can see it, you can always close it back in. If you're going to need it for the fridge, just put it back. That's it. You know, you could cover it up properly and pretty much put it in the fridge if you want to reuse it. But today we're going to actually use the whole thing. So very simple. I like it. Very convenient, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.